don't get me wrong, there's a lot of players that wanna be treated the way this guy is treated, and avoiding that he's not South African. If he was a South African, I don't wanna lie, I would say this is the most loyal player I've ever seen. Woto, I don't know, guys. If this guy was just a South African, I would play him every single day. If there's one player in Fila Martin, I'm totally thank God he's married. I was gonna get him a girlfriend like South Africa. Just because of one thing, and please don't get me wrong on that. He's married, I cannot be able to get him a girlfriend, so unfortunately. And so Orlando Pirates has announced Sukuti was extend the contract. I'm not sure. I think it's going to be for one last season or what, which is very good. And let me tell you why I'm saying this is very good. Otto Smile is old, cool. Otto Smile is a hard worker, one of the best hard-working player. And I'm not saying at Orlando Pirates, the whole entire Betway Premiership, Otto is the most hard-working player. You can see how Otto runs. You can see how Otto recovers. You can see how Otto is when it comes to transitions. If you watch football, you would ask yourself, good, how is this boy at this age keep on running like that? That's Otto for you, né? That's what you get on him. And Otto is not a player that, if he's not being played, you would hear him complaining, you would hear him slacking in training, just like other players, Mbule left. Apparently he was slacking in training. Story for another day. It's fine. I don't like being negative about players. But Otto is always consistent with everything that he does. And when it comes to Otto, for a player like that, at his age, at his caliber, you will never hear rumors about Otto. Otto was found here where Otto was doing this, Otto was doing that. No, never. Not on Otto's ball, Which brings me back to what? Umakalu discipline. Otto is the most disciplined player in the Betway Premiership. I don't want to lie. You need a guy like that. As Orlando Pirates, if I Pops, Popo to the first team, you had your likes of Mufukeng, you had your likes of Mbogazi, you have your likes of Nkota. If you don't have an older player like Otto, I'm telling you, those boys are not going anywhere. I'm a player, player. If you don't have an older player, if I know Otto, that can literally be able to keep this boy in line. Don't do that. That's wrong. Listen, calm down. You should look at Otto when he's on the pitch. Every single time when someone is mad, I saw last time when I think Wadu and who's this boy? Masangai were having like an alter action or whatever. You can see how Otto was talking to Maswangai with that boy. Relax, he calms everyone down, and the young players need an experience of it helps a lot. Some won't see because why we are not with them but from a person that played football, I'm telling you, Otto is a good investment for Orlando Pirates as well. Because this boy can guide these players. You can see it even on some pictures, you can see, just like this one. You can see that Otto, advises these boys, calms these boys down. And with his work ethic, imagine I'm not sure about Otto's age, but he's old. Imagine a young player looking at Otto, still running the way Otto runs. That's what I love. And I don't want to lie, I feel like Orlando Pirates is good when it comes to developing players, with keeping players like this, like Otto on the pitch. Because if you have a Otto on the pitch, your Mufukeng, your Popo, your Nkota, your Mbogazi are not going to be a problem. Because why? This guy, Otto, is going to calm them down. It's going to keep them grounded. That's one thing I love about Orlando Pirates. Someone was asking me, Otto. And I was like, I would trade Otto. For all those years, Otto, I would keep him. Because why? You need a player like that. On the team. Relax and keep everyone grounded. Then when these players are growing up and fitting in nicely to the first team, we ask with you know what, Otto, thank you for your appreciation. Otto even if I'm 10 games on mode. Ask yourself with why? He knows what's going on there, what's going on behind the scenes, and he's happy with that. You'll never see a Otto slacking on the pitch. Yeah, namanga. So Orlando Pirates are extending his contract for 1 year. That's the best extension I feel like it would have happened for Orlando Pirates this season. Keeping Otto to the team, very good. He's very hardworking, very disciplined, and very good for grooming these young players. So I don't want to lie. Please let me know how you feel about Orlando Pirates adding Otto's contract. I think Bazumkaya one season because and Orlando Pirates is drilling in these young players, which is very good. Please let me know how do you feel about Otto in the comment section. You like him, you don't like him, they should keep him, they should have never extended the contract. How do you feel about that? I'm sorry, my comment section. I'm sorry. But for me, I love him so much. And I really think that they would need him for this season as a young child. So it's a thumbs up for me, Keeper. I'm not an Orlando Pirates fan, but I love that guy's work ethic. So please don't forget to like, comment, and manga subscribe. Please subscribe because there's a lot of content coming through from me, Katlego Sparkles, aka Don't Get Me Wrong. I'll see you on the next one, okay? I'm out. Peace.